Alrighty, guys, what is up? Today we are going to be reacting to a BeamNG Drive truck racing. So, there's different parts to this, which I'm probably going to do a lot of, but let's just see. This is part one of truck racing. Okay. Okay. Alright. Like if you think the American truck is going to win, which is the red truck, and subscribe if you think the European truck is going to win. I've not seen this video at all, so let's see who's going to win. This is going to be a huge race. I don't know who's going to win. So let's just see. Okay, so there's a police car. I don't know what they're going to do with that, but okay, just killed that thing. And who lost a tire? Hold up. Hold up. Okay. I have no idea who's gonna win. Oh my gosh. Uh, um, okay. Didn't expect us to be having a truck go 1,000. Okay. Didn't know that there would be jumps. Okay. Oh, there's cars? Okay, that's crazy. Okay, wow. Didn't expect this. European truck did it well. So is the American truck. Okay, we're getting a little feisty here. Okay, let's see this. Ooh, okay. Dang, got brake checked. Dang, oh, no ways. Oh my gosh. That brake check just costed him his whole race. Oh, he took it. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Let's see what else we got. Okay. That brake check just costed him everything. Every last thing, dude. Now we got first place, jumping crazy. Jumped again. Okay, damage report. The European truck has some broken glass, I think. Yeah, it does up here. Um, American truck's holding up well. The back's bulking or breaking a little bit. Not on the American truck, on the European truck. That brake check, though. Yeah, glass. Yeah, you can see it's open here. I'm surprised the car hasn't fallen out yet, though. Dang. What? Okay, yep, just park it right there. Whatever. Dang. Oh, wait. Dang. Okay, this is crazy. Alright, we got a police car. Or a park ranger, I should know this. I play this game every day. Okay. Guys, go like and subscribe. Um, to the gaming channel too. I play this game a ton. I play BeamNG Drive. This is BeamNG Drive, I just know. So, go like and subscribe to the gaming channel. Okay. 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 Oh my gosh. Bro, you're kidding. Anyways, okay. Dang, okay, now we got some damage on both trucks. You can just see we got some damage. That wasn't a good shot of the damage, but now the back's starting to come out. But yeah. Oh, another car. Oh, oh my gosh. Holy cow. Okay. Oh, boom, another hit. Oh, wait a second. Oh my gosh. Come on, American truck. European truck's back in first place. Wow. That, oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These jumps and music is just killing me right now. Oh my gosh. Dang, these cars are getting destroyed too. Wow. The car. Wait a second. Oh, dang it. I don't know if you guys saw it, but the car in the back of the American truck was upside down. I'll try pausing it, but next time I see it, but okay, no, that's just crazy. More jumping. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Who's using hubcaps? We got one up here. I don't know if you can see it. But we also got one down here. Why do trucks have hubcaps? Like, why? I don't even know. I didn't even know European trucks had those. I only thought American trucks had that. Dang, big gap. Big, big, big gap. Hold up. Another big gap. There he goes. Gosh, these backs are just. The back of the trucks are getting destroyed. Shows the front of these are. Oh my gosh, look at that back right there. Holy cow. Okay. Great turning. Holy cow. Let's go, American truck. Let's go. Smart move. What he did, he was going and he turned this way to get more room to turn around. Very smart. Keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, let's keep going here. Okay, jump that. Jump. Oh my gosh, truck is falling apart. Alright, look at the American or the European truck on how good the trailer back part is. Now, gosh, killing it. Holy cow, these cars are getting destroyed though. Oh, take a look at this trailer right there. Oh my god. Look at this trailer. Holy cow, this thing is getting demolished. Holy, you can see through it. Like, look at the desert all the way over there. You can see that. And yeah, there's the car that's upside down. These two are just absolutely getting destroyed too. Dang! Oh, it's pushing through, but the cab is saving it. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, that's a big drop. Holy cow. Jeez Louise. Holy cow. What the hell? Okay, this American truck's cooked. How? 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 God. You can literally see the car. You could see the car's wheels through there. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, wow. Wow. Okay, now they're turning somewhere else. Okay. 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 Wait. Hang on. Is he stuck? Wait a second. The American truck might be stuck to the European truck. No way. You can see it. This is the thing that protects the tire, and it's stuck on the bumper or back bumper of the European truck. I don't even know. This is crazy. Okay, this could cost him. This could cost him. Okay, wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, we might be. Alrighty, guys, Team American might lose here, but yeah, this is great. There's a little more time left, so let's keep going. Um, oh my gosh, that is deadly move, deadly move, deadly move. European truck takes flight. Holy cow. Um, okay, we've lost the American truck. I guess the European truck takes it here. European truck might take it here. Um, I have no idea who's gonna win this anymore. It might be European. Yep, there he goes. Wait a second. Hold on, hang on. Let's go, American. Yes, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You can go, you can go. For it, for it, for it. Oh my gosh. For it. Stop, stop, stop. No, 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 no. Okay, we got another police car and double kick. Oh, hit again. Double, double, triple, triple. He's done. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's two cop cars. We have two cop cars in the van. This is crazy. Boom. Boom. Okay. 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 Mm, I think American truck loses. I think so. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh, come on. Well, European truck wins against the American truck. This was a crazy race. Holy cow. Come on, can the American truck even still make it to the end? Holy cow. No, the American truck. It's veering off the road. Yo, there goes the front guard thing. Okay. Okay, here's the cars. One of them's on its side. These ones are. Oh my gosh! This car's completely upside down. I don't even know how. Okay. Okay, thank you HSP for letting us make this video. Anyways, they did great with the music. I love this video. It was crazy and absolutely awesome. If you guys want to see more of this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next